Hey, are you in sales? Are you out in the marketplace working on transacting, solving problems, moving your products and services into the marketplace? If so, stick around. I've got some sales tips, some sales information for you. Hey guys, there's two key factors that you as a professional salesperson need to consider when working with your buyer and working with your client. The first key factor is this: you have to prove to your buyer, to your client, that your organization has systems and processes in your business that assure that your client gets delivered to every time. Again, you have to prove, the burden of proof is on you, the professional salesperson, to prove to your client that your organization has systems and processes in place to assure that they're delivered to and they receive the products, services, and value that they're expecting. The second area where the burden of proof is on you, the professional salesperson, is you have to prove to your buyer that your offer is designed in a way that removes all of the risk and provides massive value. If you can prove these two things, that your organization has systems and processes in place that guarantees your client will receive exactly what they're expecting, and your offer eliminates all the risk and provides massive value, you're gonna be successful in the marketplace. Hey, my name's Andrew Hale. I hope you liked this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. If so, hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel, guys. Share this with a business owner, with a salesperson. This may be of value to. Hey, look, if you didn't like the video, that's okay too. Hey, leave me a comment below. Let me know how I can help you on the next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check me out, andrewhalesales.com.